Hello friends, Magical Practice Day 5, Magic Money. Gratitude is riches and complaint is poverty. If you're having lack of money and understand that you're complaining about money or you're arguing about money or you're getting frustrated about lack of money or you're making someone else feel bad about the money, then that is not an act of gratitude. When you don't have money, it will be a very challenging task to be grateful for money, because money is a tricky subject and anyone cannot be inspired to do gratitude for having lack of money when they have lack of money. But when you just get the thought of having lack of money and you're being ungrateful, money starts going back. And every time you get this thought, you have to come out of that current situation of thinking of lack of money and start being grateful for it. You will see that as you start being sincerely grateful, the magical money automatically flows into your life. This is universal law. Whoever has gratitude for money will be given more and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken away from him or her. It is not accepting the fact that when you have less money, how to feel gratitude for it? Well, friends, there are two steps to it. First, you have to sit and think for a few minutes and recall your memories from your childhood. When you didn't have any or much money. Just recall each instances and feel grateful for it. Like you can think and recall, did I always have food to eat? Yes. Say thank you. Did I live in a home? Yes. Thank you. Did I travel by any means of transport? Yes. Thank you. Did I go to school and took education? Yes. Thank you. Did I visit any place or cousins or friends? Yes. Thank you. Did I celebrate the festivals and my birthdays? Yes. Thank you. Did I go to the doctor and took medicine when I was not well? Yes. Thank you. Did I use electricity and water daily? Yes. Thank you. Did I have the daily essentials? Toothpaste, toothbrush, soap? Yes. Thank you. And the list goes on as you recall it. It is a never-ending list like. So, when you recall all these instances from your childhood, you will see that all these things cost hard-earned money and you got it all free of charge. You didn't pay anything for it from your childhood. So, you had a lot of money and you have to be grateful for each instance. The second step is you have to take any rupee note, put a sticky chit on it and write the words, thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. and put this note in your wallet or your purse and carry it with you anywhere you go. And anytime you just remove, look at it and read it with sincere gratitude. Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. When you feel sincere gratitude, you see that money starts flowing. And as soon as you think that you have started complaining by your words or your thoughts, stop yourself and ask, am I really going to pay the price for this complaint? Because even one complaint will actually stop the flow of money. Oh my God. So, from today onwards, promise yourself that you are not going to complain about the lack of money, but you're going to feel gratitude for each and every moment of the money which you had in the past, and this gratitude's magical power will help you bring more money in your future. So keep go on collecting money by being gratitude for the money you have. That's it. But tomorrow morning, as soon as you wake up, don't forget the magic day 1. Count your blessings, make a list of your 10 blessings, write why you're grateful, read it, and at the end of each sentence say thank you, thank you, thank you. And before retiring for the bed, just take that magic rock in your hand or just close your fingers and remember the best thing which happened during the day and say thank you. For being a calm listener, thank you, thank you, thank you.